Vegan eggs. If this is good, they might have changed the game.
What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and today I got something crazy special for y'all, man. Just egg. I'm gonna do a review on this, and y'all know that I'm the plug when it comes to reviews, man. Roland Snapchatted me about a week ago. He was like, yo, I see they got some vegan eggs in the store, man. So shout out to Roland for telling me about this. You already know, man, I had to go get that. So I'm gonna do a review for you guys. This is Just Egg. It's a plant-based substitute for eggs. I can't even pronounce that shit. We got some, yeah, man. Just show them what's in here, man. There's a lot of stuff I can't even pronounce. So we got some water, mung bean protein isolate, expeller pressed canola oil. So pretty much, guys, how they get it to taste like an egg or texture like an egg, I believe it's from the mung bean protein. This was about $6 and I think like 99 cents. Now some of you guys probably like, damn, $6? You gotta keep in mind, guys, a lot of vegan stuff isn't like, it's not really popular right now. Even though in the vegan community it is, but as a whole, it's not very popular. So the price is gonna be a little bit higher. Once it's more in demand, people start wanting to buy some of this and other things, then the prices will be a little bit lower. So keep that in mind. So we're probably gonna go ahead and scramble it up and just give it a taste test, man, just for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna smell it real quick. Wow, that smells, it smells familiar. It actually smells like, it smells like the protein that I use. You know the chocolate protein? It kind of smells like that. Is there pea protein in this? There's no pea protein, but I guess it's the mung. Did I say mug earlier? Mung bean protein isolate. But it says to make sure you shake well before you use it. So you're gonna shake it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there. It looks like egg. Just put like, that should be good. A little bit more. If you never scrambled eggs before, you pretty much like, while it's cooking, you pretty much go around the outside and kind of bring it all in. I probably should have let it heat up a little bit more, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up and I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like once it's finished getting scrambled. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so it's scrambling right now. It actually looks like eggs. I'm very curious to know what this tastes like. Hopefully it tastes, you know, good. It really looks like eggs. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think it looks like eggs? I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and we're gonna try it, man. Very curious. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put it on the plate. I'm not gonna add any salt and pepper yet. I'm gonna give you a raw taste test of it by itself. No salt, no pepper. And then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper and give you another taste test. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, so the eggs are all scrambled. The vegan eggs, that is. So let me show you guys something real quick. So I use about 40% of this, and this is how much eggs I got. Not very much. As you see, it's not a lot. So that's one concern I have so far. Is I use a lot of it, only got a little bit. So here's my honest taste test. No salt, no pepper, straight out the mud. Give them a close up on this first before I try it. Show it. Go ahead and show them. You know, it looks like eggs, man. But don't matter if it look like it. We got to see what it tastes like. All right, here we go. It smells like the protein that I have, man. All right, it definitely has like an egg texture. Doesn't have much flavor. Now, I think it doesn't have much flavor because it doesn't have any salt and pepper, which I'm about to put on there right now. I never really cook eggs. Like when I did eat eggs, I never used, just ate eggs right out of the shell. I always use salt and pepper. So I'm gonna put salt and pepper on this and hopefully it flavors it up a little bit. Without it, I would give it about maybe like a 5 or 6 without salt or pepper. Just in case some of you guys don't use salt and pepper, but I'm gonna put salt and pepper on this because I feel like it's gonna make it a lot better. Go ahead and do that. Mix it up a little bit. All right, man. Hopefully, man, this changed the game. Got a little pepper piece in my mouth, man. Definitely tastes better with salt and pepper. It gives it more flavor. Yeah, I can mess with this. So, just egg with no salt, no pepper. It's okay. It's medium. It's not too bad and it's not too good, but it's like, it's all right. When you add salt and pepper to it, it brings a lot of flavor. Just what, bro? Yo, I'm putting that in the video, dog.
Will I get one little rip, dog?
All right, guys. Will's over there and he's spiking. So, my final conclusion of a just egg. Definitely get it if you miss eggs or if you like eggs or you want an egg substitute. I would definitely recommend this. However, I don't like the fact that it costs a lot for this. It's about $7 for this at Safeway is where I got this. It was $7 and I used about half, a little more than half, or a little less than half. And I got very little egg for it, you know. So if you're making this for like your family, for like family breakfast or something like that, you'll definitely probably have to use the whole thing and it'll be gone in a day. So in that aspect, if you guys think, you know, if you feel like you can spend that extra money to get this, I would definitely do it. Make sure you add salt and pepper, because if you don't add salt and pepper, you'll probably be disappointed because it doesn't have much flavor. There we have it, man. Go ahead and get this. Go to Safeway, tell them I sent you. And yeah, today is your last day to comment down below on the giveaway video. We're doing a giveaway if you guys didn't know. Go find that video. Actually, I'll put it somewhere at the top and you guys will go ahead and click on it, watch it, see what you have to do to submit. And I'll pick a winner sometime this weekend. I'll do like a random name generator and I'll pick 2 winners. All right, so go ahead and do that. I really like how you guys were interacting on that giveaway video in the comments. I got like, how many, like 70 something comments, like 70 something likes, something crazy. If my videos that I post besides the giveaway does numbers like that, we will grow so much faster, guys. If every video I post, or most of my videos I post, they get 60, 70 likes, 70 comments, my channel will grow so much more. So guys, just please just continue to support me and comment down below, like the videos, because it helps me out and it's gonna help us as a community, as a channel to grow even more. You know, my channel has been growing very fast lately. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all next video.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?